Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinataob ng Zeus Thunderbells ang NX-led Chameleons 1925, 25-23, 25-22, 25-15. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jobs Gonzaga sa likod ng kanyang 23 points mula sa 20 attacks at 3 blocks. Humakot naman ng 16 points si Tia Gagate, Troncoso 8 points, Michelle Gamit 6 points, Chinny Arroyo 6 points. Nag-ambag naman ng 3 points si Gail Pascual, Kate Santiago 1 point, Mondo Nido 1 point, Sharia Anchita 1 point. Para naman sa natalong NX-led Chameleons, pinangunahan ni Shara May Permintilla sa likod na kanyang 19 points, Lucel May Almonte 12 points, Laika Ebon 8 points, Makaslang 7 points. Nag-ambag naman ng 6 points si Jaila Atienza, Maylo na 5 points, Janelle Maragino 2 points, Razel Aldia 1 point, Dilos Reyes 1 point, Mangulabnan 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis naman ng PLDT High Speed Hitters ang Galleries Tower High Risers 27-25, 25-22, 25-23. Tinanghal na best player daging sa Sabana Division sa likod na kanyang 28 points mula sa 26 attacks at 2 blocks na may kasamang 6 excellent digs at 8 receptions. Nagtala naman ng 14 points si Erica May Santos, Mary Joy Baron 6 points, Del Palomata 5 points. Nag-ambag naman ng 3 points si Angelica Alcantara, Fiula Mesiballos 3 points, Jovelyn Prado 3 points, JC De Leon 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Galleries Tower High Risers, pinangunahan ni Franz Ronquillo sa likod ng kanyang 19 points, Maragino 10 points, Rosel Baliton 8 points. Nag-ambag din ng 5 points si Isabel Jimenez, Andrea Marsan 3 points, Jolia Coronel 3 points, Jewel Encarnacion 1 point, Rene Mabilangan 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of November 19, 2024. PLDT High Speed Hitters 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Akari Chargers 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Creamline Cold Smashers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Signal HD Spikers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na ito, mag-like na at subscribe. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Zeus Thunderbells 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Petrogas Angels 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 1 win 1 loss 2 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 3 losses 1 point. Farm Fresh 0 win 1 loss 0 point. NX-led Chameleons 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 21, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilOL Ecoel Arena. Magtutos ang Signal HD Spikers at Cherry Tigo Crossovers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Capital One Solar Spikers at Chocomocho Flying Titans alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.